Hello, everyone. You must be here because A, you want to learn what print on demand is, and or B, you're a little skeptical about whether you can actually make money from it. The short answer, with print on demand, you can create, sell, produce, and deliver merch with your design for no upfront cost or inventory, and yes, make money from it. My name is Leah from Printify, and before I get to the long version of my answer, please like and subscribe so we can keep creating content just like this for anyone and everyone curious about print on demand. All right, now the long version. Print on demand, also known as POD, uses a dropshipping business model and involves working with print providers to customize white label products or blanks. So blank t-shirts, mugs, shoes, tote bags, basically anything you can think of. You create and sell products with your label or design, and when people buy your product, the orders are printed, packaged, and delivered by your printing partner. This means you're not buying any inventory beforehand and hoping that it sells. You only pay for the materials and printing once they've been sold. What's left is your profit. Let's dig a little deeper into those profits. Is POD actually profitable? Can you really truly make money from it? Of course you can. But like anything else that actually can make you money, it comes with dedication and hard work. And when done right, POD is a convenient and profitable endeavor. With print on demand, it's easy to experiment with product designs, you have access to international markets, and you can scale and test new products without financial risk. That is, you can easily make adjustments to see what sells well and what doesn't without having to spend a ton of money on experimenting. There are no ceilings to how much you can earn selling your custom designs. If you're serious about making money and focusing only on your store, you'll probably spend more on various things to help you sell. I'm talking domain registration, website plugins, paid ads, etc. But while they give you a competitive advantage, they're not mandatory. Let's look at a basic example with some numbers. Let's say you spend $20 a year for a domain name, $29 per month for Shopify services, $20 per month on extra website plugins, $500 annually on custom designs, and $100 a month for paid ads. In total, your store will cost you around $200 a month. If you earn roughly $10 per sale, that means you'll need to sell 20 to 30 products a month to break even. So about one purchase per day. You may decide to do things a bit differently. You might invest in some of, but not all of those things I mentioned, but however you do it, hard and smart work pays off. If you're still asking yourself the million-dollar question, can POD make you rich? Let's take a look at some stats. Last year, retail e-commerce sales were at $4.9 trillion worldwide and is forecast to grow by 50%, reaching about $7.4 trillion by 2025. The global dropshipping market size is forecast to reach almost $200 billion this year, and the value is forecast to reach almost $600 billion by 2027. And lastly, the number of digital buyers is increasing. From 2016 to last year, the number of people expected to buy online went up from 1.66 to 2.14 billion. These numbers are massive and are only growing. Ultimately, the amount of money you can make really depends on the products you sell, your audience, and how well you market to them. You'll have to experiment with different products and advertising to see what clicks with your target audience. And the more specific your niche is, the easier it'll be to stand out and find your customers, and the sooner you can start earning money. We hope this answers some questions about the POD industry for you. If you're intrigued and are thinking about how to begin your print-on-demand journey, then check out our other videos. Let us know what other questions you have down below, and like and subscribe for more inspiration and tips. Now go get them!